took out the illumination sticker because it didn't look. We got the LEDGlow RestoLights LED tail light, third brake light. So I believe all we're going to need to install is a screwdriver so that we will have the third brake light matching the LED tails. Let's just turn them on so you guys, in case you guys forget what they look like. Love these tail lights. They look awesome. So we got the third brake light to match and we're gonna put it in. All I need is a screwdriver, so this is gonna probably be a short video. So let's do that. So they do include a drill bit and 4 little Phillips screws. But if you take a look at this, there is some tape on the back of the board. These are kind of more or less insulators, and this is the actual sticky one. They said that you don't necessarily have to use that, but the heat from the back window and driving the car outside, you know, obviously it may not always stick. So they do recommend that if you want to put a couple little pilot holes into the housing and then securing the board further with the Phillips head screwdrivers, that's an option. So I'm gonna look into that, and I'm probably not gonna use that right away. I'm just gonna unstick this 3M and then unstick these and throw it in the housing there so we can just get up and running. And it's literally, that's gonna go in the bulb housing for the harness side of the car. So let's take the third brake light out and put this in. Crawl back here. And yeah, I got 2 Phillips heads, one on either side. I'll put you guys right here so you can see. Oh, and you already fell. Hopefully that's pointing at what we need to do here. Okay, there's 1 screw. Okay, this should just lift out. And then go ahead and unplug this. All right, housing's out. Let's go take it to the bench. All right, we got 2 more screws on either side that we're gonna take out to take apart the housing here. All right, screws are out. Take this out. I am going to take this out. And then this, I've got my You'd Lose sticker in there. And all right, let's get the board out. All right, board is out. I'm gonna take the bulb out. Bulb is out. All right, so once you've got your plug in, the idea is you undo that tape and it's gonna stick to that surface down there. And then if you wanted to, you could drill your 2 holes. That would be around here. That would line up with this to put your screws in. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna tape it, and I think it should hold. The car isn't, you know, I'm not too concerned with it coming loose. If it comes loose, I'll just undo it and do the screw again. So let me put you down and undo this tape and then stick it. All right, she's stuck in there. Gonna put in my You'd Lose right in here. All right, I'll put you down again. All right, I had to put you down to put my screws in, but just getting everything compressed in there looked good. I'm gonna keep the You'd Lose on there because that's on the actual plastic sticker. But while this is out, I'm gonna clean it. It's a little dirty, and then we'll throw it back in the car. All right, she's wiped down. Let's throw her back in. Get back in here. Let's get you guys situated over here this time, so you can see me. All right. What we'll do first is plug in the power and then line it up, and then we can put our screws in. It's literally that easy. It probably took me 4 minutes, which was probably 2 minutes too long, just because I wanted to wipe it down, and I just fought with trying to film and trying to get the housing back together with filming. So there she's in, she's secure, everything looks good, and let's go outside and see what it looks like. All right, it's much brighter, but I'm losing the end of the U and the end of the E in you'd lose. So I'm not sure if that's gonna stay in or not. Oh, that stinks. But taillights look good. Everything else looks good. All right, there it is. Got the third brake light corrected. Took out the you'd lose sticker because it just didn't look right. It looked like it said IDLOSI. So yeah, a lot better looking now. Just completes the look with the tail lights. Really happy with it. Thanks to RestoLights LEDGlow. There's your part number. It's LU-RL-3301. Check it out on their website. I'll link it below. And yeah, completes it. Looks good. I'm happy with the way they turned out.